Good afternoon, students. Today we will be discussing about stages of meiosis. Okay. In the previous class, I have discussed about stages of mitosis. Okay. In the mitosis, what did we see? From one cell to two cells. Okay. Division was from one cell to two cells. Okay. So in the meiosis, it's a bit different. Okay. So from in the meiosis, you will get from one cell, it will turn out to four cells. Okay. In the previous class माइटोसिस में मैंने क्या सिखाया था? माइटोसिस में एक सेल से दो सेल आ जाता है, ठीक है। लेकिन आज मियोसिस जो है एक सेल से चार सेल निकलेगा, ठीक है। थोड़ा डिफरेंट है माइटोसिस से, ठीक है। तो आज हम लोग मियोसिस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, सो टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट मियोसिस. In the meiosis, you remember from one cell to four cell. Okay, division. Okay, so this is just the overview. This is just the overview of cell cycle. Okay, ये जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ ये just overview है, मतलब summary type. Okay, ये meiosis के बारे में है. From one cell, okay, this is one cell to four cells. ओके, दिस इज ये जो है ये मियोसिस है, एक सेल से चार सेल निकलेगा, ठीक है। माइटोसिस थोड़ा अलग था। माइटोसिस तो क्या था, एक सेल से दो सेल है कि नहीं। ओके, इन द माइटोसिस व्हाट डिड यू सी? फ्रॉम वन सेल टू टू सेल्स. ओके, बट इन मियोसिस व्हाट यू विल सी? फ्रॉम वन सेल टू फोर सेल्स. ओके, समझ में आया? ओके, विल सी नाउ वन बाय वन. अभी हम लोग एक एक करके देखते हैं. फर्स्ट इज प्रोफेज वन. ओके, प्रोफेज वन. ओके, इन प्रोफेज वन व्हाट यू विल सी? प्रोफेज वन में हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? इन द प्रोफेज वन यू विल सी दैट क्रॉसिंग ओवर occurs. Okay, crossing over means the two chromosomes they will connect with each other. Okay, they will connect with each other. You can see even in the picture also, these are the two chromosomes, they will connect with each other. Same as in this case also, the two chromosomes they will connect with each other. Okay, so this is known as crossing over. Okay, even spindle fibers also occur. These are the spindle fibers, semicircle type na? So spindle fibers also they will start to occur. Okay, so हम प्रोफेज वन में क्या देखेंगे? ये जो क्रोमोसोम्स है क्या देखेंगे? क्रॉसिंग ओवर होगा. क्रॉसिंग ओवर मतलब मिलना, ठीक है। दो क्रोमोसोम्स मिलन होगा. ये दो क्रोमोसोम्स ना, ये दोनों क्रोमोसोम्स के बीच में मिलन होगा, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? स्पिंडल फाइबर्स फॉर्म हो जाएगा. इसको बोलते हैं स्पिंडल फाइबर्स. ये जो सेमी सर्कल टाइप का है ना, इसको बोलते हैं स्पिंडल फाइबर्स, ठीक है। ये जो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है ये फॉर्म हो जाएगा. समझ में आया? Did you understand प्रोफेज वन? In the प्रोफेज वन you will see that these chromosomes they will come together, means they will be crossing over, they will connect with each other. Okay, they will cross each other. Okay, and you'll be able to see the spindle fibers also. Spindle fibers are all this semicircle type. Okay, did you understand प्रोफेज वन? Huh? Any doubts in प्रोफेज वन? No doubts, no? Okay, next is Metaphase I. In the Metaphase I, what you will get? In the Metaphase I, you will get that they will meet at the center. These chromosomes, they will meet at the center. With what it will be connected with the spindle fibers. These are the spindle fibers. The spindle fibers, they will connect at the centromere. Centromere means the midpoint of the chromosome. So these are the chromosomes. This middle part is known as the centromeres. This part. Okay, so these centromeres, they will get connected with the spindle fibers. They will get attached with the spindle fibers. Okay, they will attach with the spindle fibers. Okay, and these chromosomes, they will form in these two sides, this side and this side. Okay, both these two sides. ओके इन द मेटाफेज वन हम लोग क्या देखेंगे, ये जो क्रोमोसोम्स है, ये जो मिडिल पार्ट है ना क्रोमोसोम, ये जो मिडिल पार्ट है उसको बोलते हैं सेंट्रोमियर्स. ठीक है, जो क्रोमोसोम्स मिडिल पॉइंट का जो वो है इसको बोलते हैं सेंट्रोमियर्स. ठीक है, और ये जो सेंट्रोमियर्स है कहाँ पे अटैच होगा, स्पिंडल फाइबर्स पे अटैच हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, और ये दो क्रोमोसोम्स है यहाँ पे मतलब हो जाएगा, मतलब यहाँ पे टिकेगा, वो लोग यहाँ पे टिक जाएगा. ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? हाँ,
Ma'am, Metaphase I and Metaphase II both are same now.
yes, but we will discuss about the two phase in the next phase. Okay, next phase means after telophase. After telophase again there will be one more phase. It is phase 2. Now you are just seeing phase 1. Okay, after phase 1 we will see
Okay.
phase 2. For now you just know phase 1. I will come to phase 2 also. Okay. Okay, for now did you understand metaphase 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is anaphase 1. Okay, so in the anaphase 1, what will you get? As the cells, you remember, as the cells they want to divide into two. Okay, from one cell to two cell, as they wanted to divide, they will stretch themselves. Okay, in between each other, they will stretch themselves. वो लोग डिवाइड होना चाहते हैं, इसलिए क्या करेंगे, वो लोग अपने आप को खींचेंगे. खींचने से क्या होगा, ये जो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है शॉर्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और उसके बाद क्या होगा, वो ये जो क्रोमेटिड्स है अभी अलग अलग हो जाएगा, सेपरेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एक साथ थे है कि नहीं, ये लोग एक साथ थे है कि नहीं, यहाँ पे मेटाफेज पे एक साथ थे, लेकिन एनाफेज में वो लोग अलग हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो लोग सेपरेट होना चाहते हैं. ओके, तो इसके वजह से एनाफेज में अलग अलग देखेंगे. समझ में आया? ओके, इन द एनाफेज 1, as they wanted to get separated, they will stretch among each other, in between each other. So ultimately what will happen, the spindle fibers also will get shortened. Okay, the length it will shorten, and afterwards what happens, this chromatids also now they will separate. Before they were together, isn't it, in the metaphase 1? In the metaphase 1 they were together, isn't it, the chromosomes, but in this anaphase you will see that the chromatids they start to separate. Okay, so this is what you will get in the anaphase 1. Okay, did you understand anaphase 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is telophase 1. Okay, in the telophase 1, what you will see? You will see that these chromosomes, they will get attached with the poles. So these are the poles. Okay, these two, they will get attached with these two opposite poles, the chromosomes. Okay, and afterwards what will happen after telophase 1? After telophase 1, you will see cytokinesis will happen. Okay, and cytokinesis will completely divide from one cell to two cells. Okay, let me show you. This one. This is cytokinesis 1. So after telophase, what will happen? These two chromosomes, they will move towards this pole, towards this opposite pole. And after telophase 1, what will happen? Cytokinesis will occur. So after cytokinesis, there will be complete separation of the cells. Okay, here they were about to separate, but it was not completely separated. But after cytokinesis, these two cells, they will now completely separate from one cell to two cells. ओके, तो मियोसिस में हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? मियोसिस में टेलोफेज 1 के बाद, ठीक है, टेलोफेज 1 पे क्या होगा? ये जो क्रोमोसोम्स है, ये पोल्स, डिफरेंट पोल्स पे अटैच हो जाएगा. अटैच होने के बाद क्या होगा? अटैच होने के बाद ये लोग रेडी है सेपरेट होने के लिए, दो सेल्स बनने के लिए वो लोग रेडी है. तो टेलोफेज 1 के बाद क्या होगा? साइटोकाइनेसिस. ठीक है, तो ये साइटोकाइनेसिस के बाद मतलब कंप्लीटली सेपरेट हो जाएगा. ये सेल है ना, एक सेल से दो सेल बन जाएगा. ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट meiosis? From one cell to two cells. Remember, एक सेल से दो सेल्स. समझ में आया? So this was the first phase. Okay, for prophase 1, then metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. All these were the first phase. Did you understand, everyone? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will go to the second phase. Okay, second phase. Second phase, first we will see prophase. Okay, so this is the prophase. Okay, prophase 2. In the prophase 2, what you will see that there won't be any more crossing over. Okay, crossing over won't take place anymore. Why so? Because already in the first phase, crossing over was already done. It is ready-made now, isn't it? Are you getting my point? Already in the first phase, it is in the prophase 1 phase, already crossing over was happening or occurring. Okay, so for that in the prophase 2, it won't happen anymore. Okay, are you getting me? Did you understand? Huh? Did you understand why crossing over won't occur in prophase 2 anymore? Because already in prophase 1 it was happening or occurring. That's why it won't happen anymore. But spindle fibers will still remain the same. Why so? Because spindle fibers, because they wanted to separate into 4 cells. Remember that one. Okay, from 2 cells now they will divide into 4 cells. So for that, spindle fibers have to be there, have to be present. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand?
Hello, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Ma'am,
हाँ,
मैम प्रोफेस 2 में क्रोमोसोम 4 होगा क्या?
क्रोमोसोम्स नहीं, सेल्स. क्योंकि
6 2 होगा और
ये डायग्राम देखो. हाँ, ये प्रोफेस 1, मेटाफेस 1, एनाफेस 1, टेलोफेस 1 के बाद क्या होगा? एक सेल से दो सेल निकलेगा, है कि नहीं? तो ये साइटोकाइनेसिस के बाद फिर से प्रोफेस 2 में चला जाएगा. ये जो है प्रोफेस 2 है. समझ में आया? समझ में आया कि नहीं?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, ये जो है ये प्रोफेस 1 से आया है. ये दो सेल है ना, प्रोफेस 1 से आया है, तो इसलिए तो दो सेल्स है. यहाँ से आ रहा है तो इसकी वजह से दो सेल्स है. ये पिक्चर देखो, समझ में आ जाएगा. समझ में आया?
ओके मैम.
हाँ
हाँ या मैम।
आ गया ना, 2 cells हो गया. It has turned into
हाँ
2 cells now. Now it will continue. It will continue to be 4 cells. Okay. In order to be 4 cells, they have to be
ओके
2 because it will come from the prophase 1. Okay. So
ओके
prophase 1. After prophase 1, what will happen? Prophase 2 will happen. So from telophase 1, cytokinesis 2 cells. Okay. So from 2 cells, it will turn. It will come to prophase 2. Okay. So in the prophase 2, what will happen? You will see that there won't be any more crossing over. Crossing over, why so? You won't get there because already the cells which you are getting, okay, which you are getting is already from prophase 1. Okay, so for that, you won't get any more crossing over. Crossing over means what? Means the two chromosomes, they will cross each other. You won't get that one anymore in prophase 2. But you will see spindle fibers. Spindle fibers, why you will see? Because they wanted to separate. Okay, they wanted to separate from each other. That's why you will see spindle fibers. Okay, तो ये प्रोफेस 2 में हम लोग क्या देखेंगे, ये जो क्रोमोसोम से और क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं होगा, मतलब मिलन नहीं होगा. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि ऑलरेडी प्रोफेस 1 में ऑलरेडी हो चुका था और ये जो सेल जो आया है ये रेडीमेड वाला है. ठीक है, तो इसकी वजह से और नहीं होगा. समझ में आया? लेकिन स्पिंडल फाइबर्स हम लोग देखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो सेल्स है 4 सेल में डिवाइड होना चाहते हैं वो लोग, तो इसके कारण इसकी वजह से स्पिंडल फाइबर्स देखेंगे. ठीक है. ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट प्रोफेस 2? Okay, next is metaphase 2. Okay, in the metaphase 2, what you will get? In the metaphase 2, you will get this spindle fibers, na? Same thing. Only you will find difference in the number of cells. Okay, only you will find difference in the number of cells. But all the functions, whatever works it's doing, it's all same with the first one. Okay, metaphase 1 also, in the metaphase 1 also, what you have seen that these chromosomes, okay, you will find that the chromosomes, they were attached with this one, centromeres. Centromeres are what? Which are at the midpoint of the chromosomes. Okay, so in this case also you will see centromeres are at the midpoint of the chromosomes. So they are attached with the spindle fiber. Same thing here also. Okay, and in the metaphase 2 also, what you will see the same thing. But here you will find a bit difference because here you will see only one. Here also one. But here you will see two. Okay, because they are already divided. Remember, no? They are already divided. That's why it's happening in this way. But the function will be same. The work will be same. Okay, so what will happen? You will see that these chromosomes, they are attached to this centromere. They will be attached to this centromere, which is at the midpoint of the chromosomes, and you will find that these centromeres, they are attached with these spindle fibers. Okay, so this is the spindle fibers, and they will lie at the equator, means these two sides, this sides. Okay. Okay, did you understand about metaphase? Metaphase 2? Yes?
यस मैम.
Okay. Next is anaphase. In anaphase, same thing we'll get. Same work, same function. Means they will try to separate from each other now. They will stretch themselves. वो ये जो एनाफेज में हम लोग क्या दिखेंगे? ये लोग अपने आप को सेपरेट होना चाहते हैं, ठीक है। तो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, अपने आप को खींचना शुरू करेंगे वो लोग, ठीक है। खींचने से क्या होगा, ये जो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है शॉर्ट हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा। इसके बाद ये जो क्रोमेटिड्स है ना, ये जो क्रोमेटिड्स है अभी अलग अलग हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ये मेटाफेज में देखो, ये दो क्रोमोसोम्स एक साथ था, है कि नहीं, लेकिन ये जो एनाफेज में अभी अलग अलग हो जाएगा, अलग अलग, ठीक है। Okay, in the anaphase 2, what you will get that as they wanted to separate, they will stretch among each other, they will pull among each other, and afterwards what you will get, this chromatids also, they will separate from each other. Okay, they will separate from each other. In this previous phase, we have seen that now they were together, isn't it? Excuse me. We have seen them together, but in this you will see that they are separated now in the anaphase 2. In the Anaphase 2, you will see that they are separated now. Okay, because they wanted to separate themselves, they wanted to divide into 4 cells, isn't it? So for that, they are doing their work, okay, in order to be separated. Okay, समझ में आया? Anaphase 2. Okay, next is Telophase 2. It's similar with Telophase 1 only. Okay. The only difference is that here 2 cells are there. Okay, and here 2 cells are there, here 4 cells are there. So in the telophase 2, you can see now, you can see 4 cells, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in the telophase 2, remember here they are trying to separate. Okay, here in the middle point, here also in the middle point. Okay, they are trying to separate now. So in the telophase, you will see the difference. Can you see the difference? Yes, this is the difference. So this is the difference. Okay, so what will happen in this telophase 2? You will see that this chromatids, no, or this chromatids, this 4, you will see that the chromatids, they will move to the opposite poles. Okay, so they will move towards this opposite two poles, and afterwards what will happen? Cytokinesis will happen. Okay, in this cytokinesis, what will happen? They will now divide into 4 haploid daughter cells. Okay, now they will be completely separated from each other. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 4 haploid daughter cells now. Okay, did you understand? First is the interphase, then in the prophase, you will get synapses and or else crossing over in this part. Okay, and afterwards what you will get that the chromosomes, they will get attached with the spindle fibers, where in the centromere. This is the centromere, in the midpoint of the chromosomes, you can say. Okay, after that what will happen? They will try to separate themselves now. So for that what will happen? The spindle fibers also will get shortened. Okay, and now the chromosomes also, or else the chromatids also, they will separate from each other. Okay, in the anaphase, and afterwards in the telophase, these chromosomes, they will move towards these opposite poles. Okay, and after that cytokinesis will happen. After cytokinesis, what will happen? Now the cell will completely turn into 2 cells, from 1 cell to 2 cells. Okay, and after cytokinesis 1, what will happen? Again, it will go to prophase 2. Okay, so these 2 cells, they will start functioning again, and again spindle fibers will occur, but here crossing over won't happen anymore. Why? Because already here it was Already it was there. It is there. That's why in the Prophase II crossing over won't happen, but spindle fibers will appear. Why? Because they wanted to separate. Okay. And after that, what will happen? Same thing. Again, the chromosomes they will get attached to the centromere. Okay, where the chromosomes meet. Okay. After that, in the Anaphase II, what will happen? These two chromosomes, okay, they will separate from each other. They will separate from each other. Afterward, in the telophase, these chromosomes they will move towards these opposite poles, these two sides. Afterwards, there will be complete separation. That is in the cytokinesis 2. Okay, from 2 cells, it will turn into 4 cells. Okay, do you understand? Everyone, you understood or not? Can you understand? Meiosis, you remember, from 1 cell to 4 cells. And the mitosis from 1 cell to 2 cell, mitosis. Okay, which I taught you in the previous class. याद रखना माइटोसिस में एक सेल से 2 सेल जो मैंने पहले क्लास में ऑलरेडी लिया था. Okay, but in the meiosis what you will get, you will find there will be separation from 1 cell to 4 cells. Okay. Okay, did you all understand? Any doubts? Any doubts? Anyone? Abhijit, did you understand? Aminul? Aminul Islam, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, no? Okay. So in the meiosis, from 1 cell to how many cells? Aminul? From 1 cell to how many cells? Into how many cells it will divide? From 1 cell to एक सेल से कितना सेल में डिवाइड होगा meiosis पे?
कौन सा मैम?
meiosis एक सेल से कितना सेल में डिवाइड होगा?
4.
4 ना? श्योर ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके ठीक है. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, then that's all for today's class.